AI is future of all computers, big or small. All computers in the future will have AI built in. However, designing an AI computer is different than designing a traditional computer, because AI computer works much like our own brain. It computes or it recognizes patterns and makes decisions or makes computations based on previous learning, based on what it has been trained with. That is how our brain works as well. Hence, designing an AI computer requires a new thinking, a new math, a new mechanics. Contrary to what one may think, designing a smaller AI computers are even more difficult than designing the bigger computers. The reason is AI computing is far more involved, requires far more computing, and small computers or embedded computers are very constrained for power consumption, for size, and for even for price. But Ambient Scientific picked up this difficult problem to solve. Why? Because we believe that AI can enrich our everyday life, our everyday life's gadgets. These gadgets are small gadgets, portable gadgets. They are with us all the time, like your cell phone, like your headphone. So AI for these small computers needed to be solved, and we have started on that journey to make AI possible for us to carry, possible for us to use in our everyday routine tasks, and make it personal. AI is personal. As the large computers or the laptops or the traditional computers traverse from mainframe to mini frame to servers to desktop to laptop, and now in palm of your hand in form of a cell phone, this is a complete computer. So the computers, the traditional computers have come through an entire journey. AI is destined to go and traverse the same route. Lot of computers, most of the computers are being built for AI in data centers today, but we, Ambient Scientific, is making it possible to empower the small computers with AI, making the AI personal, the personal AI. Hi, my name is GP Singh. I am CEO of Ambient Scientific. Ambient Scientific is a Silicon Valley startup company that started 3.5 years ago. We are 50 plus people right now, and the small or the little time I have got, I'm going to tell you how what amazing work this team has done over past 3.5 years. You know, if we talk about AI for our everyday life, that is artificial intelligence for everyday life, let's start from the master intelligence that we all carry with us, our own brain. This is the master intelligence that we have been born with. And the amazing thing about this master intelligence is that we carry it with us wherever we go. It's portable and it is extremely efficient. This master computer, our brain, can function on a loaf of bread, on a bowl of rice. Artificial intelligence is nothing but an extension of this master intelligence. It should become extension of this master intelligence so that it can help us when we may be distracted, or we may be doing something, and can save us from a dangerous situation, can help us interpret something, can help us learn new languages. Artificial intelligence as extension of our own brain, personal to us. To Ambient Scientific has already developed technologies and products that makes this possible. We are able to empower or enable devices today that are always on, that are very small in size, and that need to be battery operated, very small battery operated, or even energy harvested, and they are not a slave of internet or connectivity. Why? Because no matter what speed connectivity gets to, it is still very unreliable. So this personal AI gadgets need to always operate just like our brain, need to be small size, battery operated, and need to operate without need for internet. Ambient Scientific has been able to make this possible. To our customers, as in we offer a complete solution platform, a platform that consists of a very powerful AI processor. Our first product is called GPX10. It has 10 AI cores and it can do some amazing work. We have a full-fledged software kit and we also provide the reference design for many applications, and we are building more and more. Using our platform, our customers, OEMs, can develop their own AI algorithm, or they can port AI applications that they have already developed using a popular framework like TensorFlow, PyTorch, or Keras, or some others. We are also enabling, or we are also providing a tool chain which our customers can use even if they do not have a data science or AI team. We are building for many popular applications. We are building what we call vertical compiler that will allow customers to build and quickly market their products without needing to do AI programming. Our platform enables extremely low power small AI computers, the lowest power that is possible in industry today, and will be lowest power for very long time to come. And while it is low, while this technology can perform at very low power, it also provides you very high performance. Yes, both lowest power and highest performance for a small computers that require AI. I'm very glad to report to you that we have been able to make all of this work, and we are working with many customers today to enable their applications. We are testing many applications either in our own lab or with customers. The ones that we are developing right now are always on voice, always on vision, and always on sensor fusion. Within few months, we will also be building many other applications for industrial, commercial, or other applications. Let's talk about these three categories in brief. Always on voice. What is this? This is where we enable human to communicate to machine without typing, just using your voice. Also called human-machine interaction. It enables us to talk to machine and machines to be able to interpret what we are telling just like a human does. The special thing about ambient technology is that we allow customizations of this voice communication. What it means is that using our technology, the devices can understand your language, can understand your accent, can understand your dialect. The users can also enable features where they can name their gadgets, so that you can call your gadgets with the name that you prefer. just like you call your friend or your parents or your kids. This is personalization of AI to its best by enabling human machine interaction where the machine can understand your language, your accent, your dialect. Many applications already being developed with customers, including smart assistants, earbuds, appliances, smartphones, but these are only a few of these applications. This is really a new frontier, endless applications, endless market for this. The second application we are testing in lab right now is always on vision. This is always on vision. Vision is our eyes, our natural vision given by our eyes. Our eyes are amazing sensory mechanisms, but more importantly, they are portable. They are Our eyes are like mini supercomputer, but they work at very low energy. So portable, efficient vision. Now, Ambient Scientific is building devices, technologies that are extension of your own eyes, portable, efficient vision applications. Currently, with customers, we are working on a smart building, object identification, occupancy detection, or even presence detection. We are also working on applications that can detect hazardous conditions, dangerous conditions, accidents like fire and smoke detection, train collision detection, or some intruder or some theft detection, or some cases where we can detect distress conditions in human being. So using cameras, very low power cameras, and our AI technology, we are able to extend our own natural eyes while being portable and being very efficient. The third type of applications we are testing right now are always on sensor fusion. This is really a new frontier and a wonderful area. As all of you may know, there are billions of sensors already in the market, in the world, and we expect them to become trillions very soon. But these sensors suffer from one fundamental problem, that is, they are not very accurate. And this happens because of the environmental conditions. But AI has arrived as a new beginning for these sensors to become more accurate, more error-free, so they can be used in mission critical applications. We have built a technology that is able to combine many sensors together and enable so that our customers can mix and match many sensors together and develop neural networks or AI applications that where multiple sensors can collaborate with each other. This will allow sensors to become far more accurate, far more usable in industrial applications, in healthcare to predict a heart attack for a patient, or in automotive to predict a failure of vital operations. This is really a new frontier. We see a lot of excitement in our customers, and Ambient Scientific is very glad that we developed this technology. Very useful. As we move into future, cars have become part of our life already. They will keep becoming more advanced. They will keep becoming more safe. They will keep becoming more smart. That's where smart driving comes into life. And as we all know, we have been talking about cars becoming, or automobiles becoming, completely autonomous, driverless. The time is little away, but it will eventually happen. Ambient Scientific technology and product and team will be there to support, to enable, and empower this journey that that is smart driving is going to take. Currently, we are applicable in cabin for human machine interaction, for vision applications, gesture recognition, for object identification, for detecting presence in the car, or simply operation control. For more mission critical sensor fusion type applications that can predict failures in tires, brakes, engines, lights, transmission, etc., this is where anomaly detection or predictive maintenance comes into picture. Our technology is a great fit for AI based predictive maintenance applications, or simply a non-critical applications like infotainment or mileage control or monitoring. And remember, our technology, our products do not require internet to do AI computing. Because of that, they are very fit for autonomous or automobile. We are able to do these amazing things because we have done tons and tons of innovations, lots of patents already granted, more than 50 patents being filed or are pending. I wish I had more time to talk about our technology to you. Unfortunately, in this small time that we have, I am only able to flash you categories of innovations and technologies that we have built for you. I hope we will have another forum, more time somewhere to talk in more detail about ambient technology, because we have built some amazing, amazing technology, amazing products for AI, to make AI personal, to contain AI into small computers. Thank you very much for listening. Please do visit our booth. We do have a booth here, and see you soon somewhere in some other forum once we have this pandemic in our rear view mirror soon. Thank you very much for your attention.